nutritional science behind each ingredient, demonstrate how to prepare these drinks, and provide advice on avoiding common mistakes that could be holding you back. By the end, you'll have a complete plan for fueling your body the right way to see those gains you've been dreaming of. Ready? Let's go! Many of us hit the gym, lift heavy, and yet we just can't seem to pack on muscle. Why is that? The answer often lies in our nutrition. Muscle gain requires a surplus of calories, but not just any calories. You need a balanced intake of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Unfortunately, most people either don't consume enough calories or lack the essential nutrients needed to build muscle. Without proper nutrition, you might feel stuck in a cycle, working out hard but not seeing the gains you deserve. This can be demotivating and even lead to burnout. The good news is, it's not your fault. It's all about making smarter choices, like incorporating high-calorie, nutrient-dense drinks into your diet. Take, for example, Farhad, who struggled with gaining weight despite hitting the gym 5 times a week. After adjusting their diet to include calorie-dense shakes and smoothies, they saw a 10-pound increase in lean mass over just 3 months. That's the power of the right nutrition. Now, I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite drinks for weight gain. Each recipe is easy to make, requires just a few ingredients, and is packed with nutrients. Let's break it down. Protein-packed peanut butter banana shake. Ingredients: 1 banana, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 cup whole milk, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 tablespoon honey. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. This shake provides a powerful combo of protein and healthy fats. Why it works: bananas add carbs for energy, while peanut butter and milk provide the healthy fats and protein necessary for muscle repair. Avocado almond smoothie. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 1 cup almond milk, 2 tablespoons almonds, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Instructions: blend until creamy. This drink is perfect for a midday calorie boost. Why it works: avocado gives you healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, while almonds add protein and vitamin E for muscle recovery. Oatmeal berry protein shake. Ingredients: cup oats, 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup mixed berries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 scoop protein powder. Instructions: blend until smooth. A great post-workout shake. Why it works: oats and berries provide carbs and antioxidants, while Greek yogurt offers a rich protein source that's easy to digest. So, why do these ingredients work? Let's look at the science. Protein is essential for muscle synthesis. Without enough, your body can't repair and build new muscle fibers. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and nuts, provide a calorie-dense source of energy, helping you achieve a caloric surplus without eating large meals. When it comes to muscle gain, nutrient timing is key. Including a high-protein drink immediately after a workout can enhance muscle protein synthesis, leading to better results. Infographic: show a pie chart of macronutrient distribution for muscle gain. 60 carbs, 30% protein, 10% fats. Nutritional comparison chart: compare a typical meal with the nutrient breakdown of a high-calorie shake. These drinks pair perfectly with strength training exercises like deadlifts and squats, which are key for building mass. Here's how to execute them with proper form. Use on-screen annotations to highlight key ingredients. Split screen showing the ingredients and preparation of each shake. A common mistake people make is relying solely on supplements. Remember, whole foods are important too. These drinks should complement your diet, not replace it. It's all about consistency. Set small goals like adding 1 of these shakes to your daily routine and celebrate each milestone. Remember, progress takes time. Have you tried any of these drinks before? What's your favorite recipe for weight gain? Drop a comment below and share your experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.